gets stuck about right there. Are you experiencing that? Hello, little minions. It's me, Bo Chevasu, a licensed FFL and gunsmith. Today, we are going to be addressing a common problem when people attempt to put their CPX-2 back together, and that is it gets stuck about right there. First of all, yes, I have checked the gun. It is rendered safe. I'm not gonna talk down to you. Let's just assume if you've gotten this far in your firearm career, I hope that you know basic firearm safety rules. Let's solve this thing. You want it to slide forward all the way like that, and yet it's not somehow. Odds are this barrel right here is not seated all the way. And so, see that little pin right there? Nice and flush, it's in all the way, which is good. But before you put that in, you have to make sure that this barrel is seated all the way in. Sometimes you actually have to pull it forward a little bit. Otherwise, if this is too far back, it's gonna get hung up on that pin. Make sure that this is pulled forward all the way, it's seated correctly, then and only then make sure that that pin is in, and then you will see that it slides forward effortlessly, no problem. There you go, hope this helps.